This is the reason why I'm poor. I saw it and I just had to have it.
Turn around so they can see what it is. Feels so good. Like we couldn't live without it, right? Now to go run and jump on it like a horse. Was it an exerciser? It's a crunch machine. Just don't go too far back. Don't let that horse buck you up. It's an alien. What else can you do with it?
What?
Stand on it.
Don't stand on it.
I don't think so.
It might buck you.
How'd you break your back?
Oh my goodness. You could injure yourself.